Outdoor activities may be winding down, but I'm already starting to plan for next year with this DIY project, the Patio Bar. Hello, and welcome to another segment of Xtreme DIY, brought to you by 80/20. Today, we're going to take a look at product choices with a general overview. So as a reminder, please visit 8020.net and get a full step-by-step guide by downloading the project plan and more. So as you can see, we've got a nice patio here where family and friends can relax, but we want to take it to the next level. I want to design a patio bar that tailors to my needs and my patio size. I also want something that's going to accommodate my current grill. So for my design, here's what I'm thinking. My patio bar should have shelves for storage, a place for my mini fridge, and a spot for my trash can. I also want something high enough for bar stools and easy to clean. I'd like it to be completely enclosed to keep the critters out. And finally, I want everything to be flush and have a modern appearance. So I've got a good start to my design. Now we're going to talk to an expert, narrow down our products, and finalize our design. Hey Henry, thanks for coming out.
No problem. So I had a chance to look at your design. Everything looks good so far. Is this the general area you want to have your bar?
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe an L shape, run a grill along this side, bar and stools, but I wasn't sure maybe to add on an extra section for a U shape. I wasn't sure what you thought about that.
I've seen both would work. However, how about something like this?
Okay.
How about smaller cabinet sections or like pods?
Oh.
That way you're not locked into one setup.
Okay.
You can rearrange them if you want, or if you need additional cabinet space later, then you can add on.
That's a great idea.
Now I saw in your email that you want something that'll be easy to keep clean.
Yes.
Okay, so smooth closed face profiles wherever possible would be great.
Okay.
Easy to keep clean, dirt and grime won't add up, and it'll be easy to wipe down.
Great, sounds perfect.
Now, do you have any other questions?
You got my rough design?
I do.
Okay, any concerns with that?
Nothing stood out. I saw that you're using internal connectors.
Yes.
Clean appearance, no problems there.
Cool.
Take a look into the central connectors as well.
Okay.
Strong connection, also easy to use. The panels that you're using are durable and weather resistant. Everything looks really good.
Cool.
If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out.
All right, you were a huge help.
Thanks, Andrew.
Thanks, Henry. All right, Henry had some great ideas. So let's head back to the garage and see how our design comes together. So I've got my design for my patio bar wrapped up and ordered. Now let's take a look at a couple of components I decided to use. The first one is our concealed hinge. This is very similar to our lift-off hinge, where if you remove one half, you can remove a door, a panel, or even a profile to gain better access. Now the only difference is, once you have it completely installed, the hardware is inaccessible from the outside. Now this becomes crucial in situations for security and safety. Now let's move on to the second one, and it's central connector. Now Henry talked about this earlier. It's very strong, very similar to our anchor fastener that we used in past DIYs. The only difference is you can drop it right into the open T-slot and tighten it down. Now this becomes crucial in situations where the profiles are captivated and you don't want to take everything apart. Now if you want to know more about these products in this video, please visit 8020.net, where you can watch helpful videos, download design files, and explore our vast product offering. While you're there, you can also download our project plan for this patio bar, for a breakdown of our parts used in this build and an in-depth guide on the build process. Now that we have our products picked out, let's take a quick look on how this patio bar comes together. So as Henry suggested, we went with a modular pod system for our bar. These will come together with a basic frame, shelf, and door. For this design, we'll be starting with 4 pods, with the possibility to add on in the future. Next, the grill and fridge sections, and finally, our countertop. 80/20 is the perfect solution for those outdoor projects. Our profiles, parts, and panels allow you to custom tailor any project to your exact needs. Today, we took a look at how by using 80/20, you can make a durable and truly unique patio bar that is both modular and tailored to you. By using the pod sections, we can easily add on in the future and rearrange our bar. This patio bar is going to look great once it's built, and I can't wait to start using it. Well, hopefully you found this edition of Xtreme DIY helpful. If you want to download design files, project plan, or get started designing your own patio bar, please visit 8020.net. And also while you're there, let us know what projects you want to see in the future. But until then, make it a great day.